there it sits idling. Seems like a good idle, it's not. I'll tell you more about that. Watch this rev. I don't know if you can hear that popping on the come down. You look at this exhaust pipe on the right hand side. That's weak, and that's what's causing me trouble on the test rides. Now, to follow up on this, I'm going to turn it off. So far, I've taken the right carb and the left carb and swapped position to no avail. I put in fresh plugs to no avail. I made new spark plug wires to no avail. I put a new coil in the left-hand side to no avail. I've double-checked and triple-checked the valve clearances to no avail. They're perfect. I put in a new coil on the left-hand side to no avail. You notice this is marked R. That's the right-hand carb. That was over on the other side, but over here now, and makes no difference. Compression is 110 pounds on both sides. Perfect. Exactly the right. Timing is strobe checked with a strobe light, and it is exactly and precisely correct. I'm getting ready to take the cylinder head off again and see if there's something wrong with the valves on this left-hand cylinder. I've had this head off 2, possibly 3 times. And I'm going to take the head off again and see if there's something, sticky valve, bent valve. I mean, the valves, when I rebuilt the whole engine, I mean splitting the cases and rebuilding the whole engine, when I did that, that was 4 brand new valves installed in the head, and ground and seated. And then we just had the head off because I found out it was bleeding between the 2 cylinders, so I had the head milled flat and the valves rechecked, and I'm going to do it again. I'm out of ideas. It cannot be the ignition system per se because it's a tri-spark, and tri-spark, just like all the other ones, Payson and Boyer, fire both cylinders, both plugs at the same time, and if one is firing, the other one's firing. And like I say, I've changed out the coil on the left side and changed both spark plugs, brand new spark plug wires, brand new spark plug caps. So there's no good reason for this left cylinder popping and spitting and misfiring at idle and then causing the bike to fall apart when ridden. So I'm going to put the bike aside for a while, work on another project, and then come back to this one and lift the head off and take another look-see inside the cylinder head, because at this point in time, I'm really out of ideas. And that is all.